Welcome to this first pre-class lecture for your nursing statistics course. In this class we'll be looking at the basic jargon of statistics, so the most foundational words and expressions that we use in statistics and that we will be using throughout the course on a regular basis. I will try in these class as well as the other one, this lecture as well as the other ones, to be as light and engaging as possible, hence the little cartoon strip here. But there is no getting away from the fact that some of these things is fairly technical. Some of the things I will be talking about are fairly technical, and so they will require your attention whether I'm funny or not. I'll try my best though. And to begin with, I will avoid the temptation to comment or explain the cartoon, which would definitely spoil its effect. So we'll just move on to first of all looking at why look at the basic jargon of statistics. Why is that important? Well, there are several reasons actually why it is important to focus attention and place a big priority on understanding and learning the jargon of statistics. The first one is that jargon in statistics, as in any other field of knowledge, identifies a topic or an idea with precision. When we're trying to identify exactly what we're talking about and we want to be precise, we don't want to be confused, we don't want our ideas to be confused with other ones, then we use technical jargon. And so in order to do that in statistics, we need an appropriate kind of jargon. The second thing is, of course, that jargon facilitates your reading comprehension. The main purpose, the main goal of this course is to make you able to understand the statistical portion of nursing research papers. And so by learning the jargon, you'll be able to understand what these people are talking about in their articles, so that it will not sound like mumbo jumbo, but it will sound like something that actually makes sense. The third thing is that any jargon, and certainly in particular statistical jargon, contains certain words which may be familiar to you already, but with a different meaning. So we're going to see, even just in this first class, that there are some words which you've used and you keep using all the time, perhaps every day. But when we use them in statistics, they mean something either a little bit different or sometimes quite a bit different. So what you need to do is you need to identify, oh, am I talking about the English meaning of the word, the generic one, or am I talking about the specific technical meaning of the word? So that's quite important. The other thing is also that statistical jargon is unfortunately often misused, and so you need to realize and be able to identify when someone has used the statistical word incorrectly or in the wrong context, so that you can flag it and then perhaps even try to find out what exactly did they have in mind. Again, this is something that happens again in every field, and statistics is no exception, and it will be your job also to figure out when people are using the jargon correctly and when they're using it incorrectly. And finally, using jargon properly will make you look smart. I mean, when you use technical words in the right way, makes you look very professional and very competent and so on, just like this. Perhaps not, just like that fellow. Well, let's try something else. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Well, I guess that your idea of what look is a professional, a smart look, and whatnot might be different, but the idea is that by conveying the image of someone who knows what they're talking about, you do convey also confidence, and you are better able to communicate with your clients or your colleagues. So this is the purpose for focusing on jargon. So let's see how that is done in the next short video.